how can we plan for these types of events? And better than that, how can we prevent them? Because like we talked about before, really the only good option is to not experience this to begin with. It's to prevent it. First of all, it's not if, it's when. 60% of small businesses close within 6 months of a cyber attack just like this one.
Now, there are very common cybersecurity measures that businesses can take to help reduce the risk. We talked about mandatory software updates for computers and firewalls, multi-factor authentication, security training, virtual private networks, and token theft protection. Now, when I talk about strong multi-factor authentication, please know that multi-factor authentication is not all created equally. Let's take a look at cybersecurity by the numbers. So there's lots of different protections out there, and we really want to try to do is reduce the chances of an event like this happening. We talk about strong multi-factor authentication, which can reduce the chances up to 99.22%. Having antivirus and EDR, reducing it to 99%. Managed SOC, reducing it to 85%. Sign-in protection, 99.9%. If you notice, of these protections, nothing is 100% effective. And that's why security needs to be implemented in layers, right? To prevent the ability from one issue or one way of getting around a security protection to get and to cause a breach, we need to stack these layers up. So think of security as an onion with many layers, and these are the layers that we can use to help protect our businesses, protect our employees, and our data.